Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 says, solve the following. The absolute value of 2x minus 7 is equal to 13. And so remember, absolute value is the distance that a number is from 0 on the number line. And in an absolute value equation, you can actually have two cases set up. The expression on the inside could be equal to 13, and when I take the absolute value of 13, I'm going to get 13. Or the expression on the inside could be equal to the absolute value of negative 13, and I'm still going to get an answer of 13. So that sets up my two cases. The expression 2x minus 7 on the inside of the absolute value bars could be equal to 13, or the expression on the inside of the absolute value bars 2x minus 7 could be equal to negative 13. Because when I take the absolute value of 13, I get 13, which is the answer. And if I take the absolute value of negative 13, I also get 13. And so I just have two small equations to solve. 2x minus 7 equals 13. The left side and right side are simplified. And this is actually just a two-step. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. Negative 7 plus 7 is 0. 0 plus 2x is 2x. And 13 plus 7 is 20. Now I'll divide both sides by 2 in order to make my coefficient equal to 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1x, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. So the solution from the first case is x equals 10. In the second case, I'm going to follow the similar procedure. I'm going to add 7 to both sides in order to isolate the variable. Negative 7 plus 7 is 0. 0 plus 2x is 2x. And here I have negative 13 plus 7, which will give me negative 6. Again, I'm going to divide both sides by 2 in order to make the coefficient equal to 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1x. And negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. So the solution from the second case is negative 3. And so my two solutions to the problem, x would equal 10 and x would equal negative 3.